Hello, my channel focuses on pharmaceutical equipment. Our equipment catalog and main website are called Minipress.ru. We use a legal entity registered in Moscow to work with our clients. We accept payment for the equipment and services connected with searching for the equipment to our account in Moscow. We present ourselves as a Russian company with offices in Moscow and Minsk. There is a large choice of freeze dryers in our catalog. It includes different models of spray dryers, freeze dryers, sublimation equipment of different capacity, new technologies of lyophilization and sublimation of food products, drugs and suspensions. The company RomanTsibulsky Minipress.ru supplies a wide range of pharmaceutical equipment from China, Korea, India, Europe and other countries. We provide such services as equipment searching, selection, purchase, delivery and customs clearance. We can deliver goods to any city of Russia and CIS countries. We have the most authoritative catalog of various machines with descriptions in many languages. We deliver the goods from China to Russia and CIS countries by air, sea, rail and road. Our specialist provides daily consultations on pharmaceutical production technologies. We select equipment and individual machines for production according to customer samples. We have the full package of optional service. Search for consumables, package, we place orders in China printing houses. We have a large information database about the manufacturers of pharmaceutical and veterinary products in Russia. Our catalog of equipment, minipress.ru/catalog. Single contact number in Moscow +7 495 364 3808. Our email info@minipress.ru. More details about links to our contacts and social media can be found under this video. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, be sure to put your thumb up and subscribe to our channel, and you will not miss the latest videos.